Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for my skincare, my first step would be cleansing. I'm using Olay cleanser as I don't have my Himalaya with me. So this has exfoliating beads in it, so it also helps me with exfoliation. Always make sure you pat dry your face, never rub your face. So the second step would be vitamin C serum from Minimalist. My go-to serum is always vitamin C as it gives me the perfect glow and it also helps me with hyperpigmentation. So for the third step, I'm using moisturizer. It's from Minimalist B5 Vitamin Moisturizer. This is really smooth on your skin. It suits for all skin type. My fourth step would be sunscreen, which is very important. Please don't forget your sunscreen even when you're at home because the sunlight is still there. So make sure you apply your sunscreen. You can apply a lot and you can also reapply it throughout the day. I'm also extending in my hands. So my fifth step would be body lotion. This is a vitamin C body lotion from Scent Botanica. This is really good with my hyperpigmentation in my hands, my elbows. I have a bit of ashy hands, not gonna complain about it. So my next step would be a lip balm or a lip tint. This lip tint is very moisturizing on my lips, so I just go ahead with this. And that's it. So this is my skin in sunlight. So I'll take you through my breakfast routine. I usually eat bread and eggs because I really love them. So I'm taking some capsicum, chopping it into pieces. I really love adding a little bit of vegetables in my food because I'm a very picky eater when it comes to vegetables. So I'm just trying to, you know, get some vegetables in my system. I'm taking some tomatoes, again chopping it. Next, I would be frying some eggs. Yes, I do use a lot of oil because I love oil. I am sorry for that. You can use very less oil or maybe no oil, that's up to you. I don't eat much from outside, so it's okay, I don't mind. So the next step would be mixing all my vegetables with some mustard, honey mustard dressing. I need some flavor. I can't just eat my vegetables just like that. Sorry for that. So next would be some garlic butter and I'm just toasting my bread. I usually toast just one side and I like my other side to be just plain. So yeah, I'm just filling everything in with my vegetables first and then my egg. And then yeah, I really enjoy eating this for my breakfast. It's very tasty and it's very filling. You have proteins, you have your vegetables in, and yeah. Hope you liked my video. Do give a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.